Hi, today I'm going to show you how to deploy your Base44 app on Google Cloud. Before doing that, you will need to have a Google Cloud account with billing enabled. You should have the source code of your Base44 app locally in source repo, GitHub or GitLab, etc. and Google Cloud SDK installed locally and decide where you want to deploy. Now, here's how you would typically do this with Cloud Run, which works well if your app run in a container. So basically navigate to Base44, navigate to apps, choose the app that you want to export and deploy on Google Cloud. Then you'll have to click on this icon and click on export project to GitHub or export project as zip. After exporting a project, you'll have to follow these steps. First, containerize your app. Create a Docker file in your project root if you don't have one already. Example for a node.js app is this. Then build the Docker image locally to test with this. Now, push your container to container registry or artifact registry. You can enable relevant services like these. Then tag and push your image with this code or use the newer artifact registry. Then deploy to Cloud Run. So you can deploy the container image by using this. And during the deployment, set environment variable if your app needs them, set memory limits, etc. And once deployment finishes, Google Cloud Run will give you a URL like this. Then set up domain SSL environment variable, optionally but common. So if you have a custom domain, you can map it to your Cloud Run services via Cloud Run, custom domains in the Google Cloud Console, and configure environment variables under the Cloud Run services settings. Now, set appropriate IAM permissions if needed. Then you can do CI or CD monitoring. It's optional. Then alternatively, you can use app engines. So if your app is simpler and fits in the app engine, create an app.yaml file specifying runtime, run gcloud app deploy from your project directory, and Google will handle scaling SSL, etc.